Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty. Guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're gonna be going to our family farm. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna get ready. I think I'm gonna wear this top because it's one of my farm outfits, and I'm also gonna wear these bottoms. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my hair. Let me just get this bun out. Okay, and then I'm just gonna water it. So let me get my hairspray. Just spray a couple things. And now I'm just gonna brush out the knots. Okay, and now I'm just gonna get my curl gel, my curl product, and just put it in my hair. Okay, and now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna brush my hair into a braid. Okay, so now that I'm done with my hair, I'm just gonna go put my boots on. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm just gonna go chill. Hey guys, come get ready with me to go to our family farm. So I think I'm going to wear these overalls. And these shoes. And now I'm going to pack us a little snack for when we go. I'm going to pack an apple, 2 carrots, and my Stanley and 3 water bottles just in case. Okay, so I think we're ready. I'll see you guys there. Okay, so what are the tasks that we have to do for today? Your father actually gave me a list of things that we have to do in order, so let me see. So the first one that we have to do is get eggs from the chickens. Oh, okay, I'll go get eggs from the chickens. I got the eggs from the chickens. Here you go. Oh, thank you, Claudia. Okay, now it's time to see the second thing on the list. Okay, it seems like the next one is milking the cows and grooming them. Oh, okay. Okay, so how about you brush her and I'll milk her? Okay. if we can get some milk out of her today. So let me just get the cup and let's place it under her. Let's just try. No more milk again? Oh, that's too bad. We could have sold her milk at the farmer's market. Hi, are you Miss Blair, the lady who's supposed to be selling us horses? Yes. Are you winning? Yes, I am. I'm sorry, aren't there supposed to be 3 horses? Yeah, the next one's not supposed to come until, next week, so can you just pay me now? No, I'm not paying you until I get my other horse. I don't know who you think you are coming in here and asking me to pay you $300 when I only have 2 horses. Jeez, can you at least just pay me $200 and then pay me the other $100 when the other horse comes? Cause I don't really care. Ugh, fine. Oh my gosh, finally $200. Yes, I'm so happy. I don't even care about these stupid horses. I'm just doing it for the money. Wait, where's my other 100? The deal was $300 for 3 horses. You will get your other 100 when my other horse comes. You know what? I don't even care. I'm just doing this for the money, not the horses. Ugh, can you believe that girl trying to scam me? Paying $300 for only 2 horses and the 3rd horse isn't even here yet? Ugh. Jeez, Mom, why are you getting all so mad? She wasn't scamming me. She's gonna give us the other horse next week. Yeah, you're right, Claudia. It's just been so stressful this week on the farm. Maybe I should just stop putting all my anger out on random people. Yeah, you definitely should. Cause that lady's gonna hate us now. But let's forget about that. And how about we bring the horses into the new stalls? Yeah, you're probably right, Claudia. Let's put them into the new stalls. Okay, Peanut, it's time to get into your stall. Come on. Good job. Okay, Peanut, it's time for you to get into your stall. Good job. Oh my gosh, Mom, I'm so happy that we got horses. Hold on, I just need to make a quick phone call. Hi, yeah, it's Winnie. Do you think you could come over? Mom, who are you talking to? Hey, June, thanks so much for coming over to help with the horses. No problem, thanks for having me. No problem, you just live with horses, so you're an expert, and I'm kinda new at this thing, so I kinda need your help. Claudia, you probably don't remember, but this is my friend June. We've been friends since kindergarten camp. I mean, I kind of remember you. This is my daughter, Hermione. She's a little bit younger than you, I think. Just by a month, though. She doesn't look like your daughter. Claudia, that is very rude. But she doesn't, Mom. Oh, no, it's fine, Claudia. Hermione's my adopted daughter. Hi, Claudia. I'm Hermione. I've heard so much about you. Hi, Hermione. I'm Claudia. So, are you excited about having horses now? Yeah, I'm kind of excited.
Don't worry, you're gonna have lots of fun. I love hanging out with horses.
Yeah, they are really cute. Claudia, if you want, June can give you horseback riding lessons if you want to. Yeah, I would love to help you ride horses. Maybe I can bring Imani along. Oh my gosh, yes, I would love to take horseback riding lessons. Yeah, how about every Saturday at 2 o'clock, I'll give you horseback riding lessons. Where are they?
Oh my gosh, we have horses! So, what are their names?
The light brown one is Peanut, and the dark brown one is Aqua because of her eyes.
Aw, that's so cute. Bye, Claudia.
Bye, Miney. Well, thanks again, June. No problem. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry about the long wait, but anyway, bye.